consumers want their buying choices to respect the environment. How are companies responding with greener products? What did they do well, and what could they have done better? So companies have done well so far in responding to the demand. Almost all the successful brands you see in this some consumer goods industries have introduced environmentally friendly products in their product line. They have launched efforts to reduce packaging. They have improved energy efficiency in their operations, and they have used sustainability source materials as well. Reducing waste has especially in the forefront of food and beverage companies. The recycling and circular economy model initiatives are in place for some most of these companies, where they are pivoting some portion of their business to kind of fit the circular economy model. There has been a lot of efforts. One cannot deny that. You can see sustainability reports of most of these companies reflecting those changes, but there is a lot more to be done. Right? They have done some of these initiatives, but there have been some things which have to be considered. First and foremost is elimination any kind of greenwashing attempts. This is not going to help anybody, especially you will actually lose trust from your consumer. They need to kind of continue improving their transparency, because there are still a lot of issues with respect to sourcing some of these materials because of various reasons, and then they need to kind of make extra effort to make sure not only the tier 1 but the tier 2 suppliers and so on and so forth maintains their transparency, and they deploy methods in order to kind of make sure that most of the sourcing the materials are traceable and there is transparency across, which can be communicated to the consumer as well. So those are the measures. Then another one is to kind of make sure that in the race to provide greener products and source these materials, they are not violating any kind of ethical standards and practices. So that the care needs to be kind of made to kind of ensure those kind of things. They also need to kind of look into making some of these sustainable products affordable. So that's definitely a point that they need to kind of look into. Also, they need to continue the education and engagement of the consumer in terms of developing these products and packages. They have to continue investing in their R&D in terms of coming up with sustainable, innovative products in collaboration with their consumers, their suppliers, their recycling facilities, so on and so forth. So definitely it is a big task ahead. They have already started this journey, but with all of these things effort, it is definitely for a worthy cause. So definitely kind of companies need to do more.